Hello everyone and welcome back to Mila Farms. Well, we just got up here to the cabin this spring and we've got a little bit of a problem here. We got a little bit of a leak coming out of this pipe. This is a copper pipe. It's been painted or stained the same color as the house. But the issue with this pipe, and I don't know if you can see here in the dark, it has a real bad low spot in it where it runs down and runs back here and then turns and goes inside. But it's frozen several times in the past here and never was fixed the correct way, so we're going to take care of that. But we just got up here. It's Friday night. It's the middle of the night. Get up here. We find out, before I put this clamp on here and everything, there was a split right down the top of the pipe where it had frozen and blown open. So just wanted to show this quick repair I did. It's a good idea if it's something that you're really desperate with. What I did is I took the pipe, and where it was all bowed out at the top, all blown out, I took some pliers and I bent it all back so it was round again and all the parts were pushed back in. Then I went ahead and wrapped it really tight with electrical tape. I was able to find some electrical tape up here. I found a piece of garden hose, split the garden hose down the bottom here, wrapped it over the top, and then I found 2 hose clamps I was able to take off of a couple of sprinkler heads in the yard, put them on here, used this hose to tighten it down really tight against the leak, cinched it all down, and for right now it's holding. But what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to actually fix this thing the right way next time we're up. But it's Friday night, it's the middle of the night, we just got here. If we didn't get water here, we wouldn't have water to the restroom inside, which is a fairly important item. So just wanted to show this quick little repair and what we did, and it worked. It's not a permanent fix by any means, but with what we had here, we made it work, and we've got the water running. So just an idea to keep in your back pocket. So remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.